In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Facebook draft or published Facebook ads. This process is pretty straightforward, yet crucial for maintaining an organized and efficient ad management system. Whether you've created drafts that are no longer needed or published ads that you decided to take down, understanding how to properly delete them in Facebook Ads Manager is essential. So let's dive in and streamline your processes. First, you'll need to navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. You can do this by simply typing in Facebook Ads Manager into your preferred search engine. Once you access the site, you'll see a button marked Go to Ads Manager. Click on this button to proceed. If you're not already logged into Facebook, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Take a moment to ensure your login details are correct to avoid any delays. After successfully logging in, you're directed straight into the Ads Manager interface. Here you'll want to locate the campaigns dashboard. It acts as your control center, showing all your current campaigns, ad sets and advertisements. For our task today, you'll focus on selecting either the Campaigns tab, the Ad Sets tab, or the Ads tab, depending on which one you wish to delete. This flexibility allows you to pinpoint exactly what you need to clear from your list. Now that you've selected your desired tab, you will need to identify the particular campaign or ad set you want to remove. Simply click on it to select. After selection, you should see options that allow further action. Look for the trash bin icon. This is your cue for deletion. Clicking on this icon will bring up a prompt asking for confirmation of the deletion. This crucial step ensures that you're making an intentional decision, avoiding any accidental data loss. Upon confirming your intent to delete by clicking on Delete, the chosen campaign, ad set or ad will be removed from your active manager. This action not only helps keep your ads manager organized and up to date, but also clears unnecessary data that might clutter your workspace. And that's it, you've successfully learned to delete a Facebook draft or published ad. Keeping your ads manager streamlined can enhance the efficiency of your advertising efforts and allow for a sharper focus on ads that truly matter to your business strategy. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing your Facebook advertising. See you in the next video.